Good morning students. Today we are going to familiar with some MCQ questions from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. Let's start with discussing the MCQ questions from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. The first question, write the formula of sodium carbonate. Here we have four options: Na2CO3, Na2CO2, Na3CO3, Na2CO2. We know the symbol of sodium, that is Na, and carbonate CO. So here the answer Na2CO3. Na2CO3 is the correct formula of sodium carbonate. Next question. Which of the following is our correct statement about ions? We already studied about ions. A metal and non-metal combine together and form ions. Here we have four options. The first option, a negatively charged ion is called an cation. B option, the positively charged ion, a anion. C, sodium chloride constituent particles are positively charged sodium ions Na plus and negatively charged chlorine ion Cl minus. We know that NaCl is an example for ions, isn't it? We know the charge of the cation is not negative charge. The charge of the cation is positive charge, and the charge of the anion is negative charge. Here the first two options are wrong. A negatively charged ion is called anion. This is correct. And the positively charged ion is called cation. And the option C, sodium chloride, contain Na plus positive charged anions and cations and Cl minus ions. So the option C is the correct answer. The next question, which of the following compound is or are correct in ratio by mass? We already studied about the ratio of different compounds. The compounds are combined with the ratios. Here we have four options. Calcium oxide. Calcium oxide combined in the ratio 5:2, magnesium sulfide 3:4, sodium chloride 23:35.5. Here the answer is all the above. All the ratios are correct. Correct ratios of all compounds. The next question, what are isotopes? It's very important. What are isotopes? Here you have four options. First option, isotopes are atoms of different elements having same atomic number but different mass number. Second, isotopes are atoms of same elements having same atomic mass but different atomic number. C, isotopes are atoms of same elements having same atomic number but different mass numbers. And D, none of the above. Here the correct answer is isotopes are atoms of same elements having same atomic number but different mass number. When we take two atoms, their atomic numbers will be same and the mass number will be different. That atoms are called as isotopes. So here the C is correct answer. Students should study the definition of isotopes. The definition of isotopes is isotopes are atoms of same elements having same atomic number but different mass number. The next question, what are isobars? Here you have 4 options. First option, isobars are atoms of different elements having same atomic number but different mass number. Isobars are atoms of same elements having same atomic mass but different atomic number. Then third option, isobars are elements which have different atomic number but the same mass number. And option D, none of the above. Here option C is the correct answer. That is, isobars are elements which have different atomic number but the same mass number. There will be two atoms, their atomic number, 2 elements, their atomic number will be different but their mass number will be same. So all should study the isobars definition. Its definition, the isobars are elements which have different atomic number but the same mass number. Okay. Then next question, which of the following who talked about the atom? We have 3 names of scientists: Kanada, Democritus, John Dalton. Here, who told about atom? We know that the answer is all of the above. All scientists told about the atom. The next question, who laid the foundation of chemical sciences by establishing 2 important laws of chemical combination? So, in this video, we discussed some MCQ questions from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. All should try to write down the questions and answers in your notebook and study well. Thank you.